In our increasingly interconnected world, handling money across borders is no longer just for big corporations. From freelancers paid in foreign currencies to families supporting relatives overseas, the need for efficient, affordable international financial services has grown exponentially. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, has risen to meet this demand, offering a distinct approach to global money management. As a finance expert, I'll demystify the inner workings of a Wise account, explaining its core functions in a way that's clear and simple for everyone. Whether you're new to international finance or looking to deepen your understanding, the foundation, your multi-currency digital wallet. At its heart, a Wise account is a multi-currency digital wallet. Unlike a traditional bank account that primarily deals in one national currency, Wise allows you to hold, convert, and manage money in over 40 different currencies within a single online account. Think of it as having individual digital pockets for US dollars, British pounds, euros, Japanese yen, and many others, all linked under one roof. This core functionality is crucial because it addresses a major pain point of international transactions: currency conversion. The magic behind transfers, the mid-market rate, and local networks. The primary reason Wise gained popularity is its innovative approach to international money transfers. Traditional banks often use opaque exchange rates, adding a hidden markup on top of the mid-market rate, the real rate you see on Google. Wise, however, prides itself on using the mid-market rate and charging a small, transparent fee. Here's how it generally works when you send money internationally. You initiate a transfer. Let's say you want to send GBP, British pounds, from your Wise account to a friend's Euro bank account in Germany. You enter the amount, select the currencies, and see the exact mid-market exchange rate and the low fee up front. You pay Wise in your local currency. You deposit GBP into Wise's local bank account in the UK or wherever your Wise account is based, using a bank transfer, debit card, or other local payment methods. Wise uses its local network. This is where the innovation truly lies. Instead of actually sending your GBP across borders through expensive international SWIFT networks, Wise often uses a local payout system. Wise has local bank accounts in numerous countries around the world. When you pay GBP into Wise's UK account, Wise essentially takes an equivalent amount of euro from its own euro account in Germany and pays it out to your friend's German bank account. This is why transfers can be so fast and cheap. The money never physically crosses borders in the traditional sense, avoiding costly international wire fees and delays. It's a clever matching system. Recipient receives money locally. Your friend in Germany receives the euro directly into their local bank account, as if the money originated from a local transfer. This peer-to-peer or local network model is key to Wise's cost-effectiveness and speed. Getting paid like a local, your global bank details. Beyond sending money, Wise allows you to receive money as if you have local bank accounts in several major currencies. For example, if you're a freelancer in Nigeria who works with clients in the US, Wise can give you a unique US dollar, USD, routing number and account number. This means your US client can pay you via a standard domestic ACH transfer, just as they would pay any other US-based vendor. You avoid the high fees and complexities often associated with international wire transfers, and your client doesn't even need to know you're not physically in the US. These local account details are available for currencies like US dollar, USD, British pound, GBP, euro, Australian dollar, AUD, Canadian dollar, CAD, New Zealand dollar, NZD, Singapore dollar, SGD, Hungarian forint, HUF, Romanian leu, Turkish lira, TRY. This feature is invaluable for individuals and businesses regularly receiving payments from different countries. Spending globally with the Wise debit card. Connected to your multi-currency account is the Wise debit card. This card functions like any other debit card but with a significant advantage for international spending. Spend in local currency. When you use your Wise card to make a purchase in a country where you hold the local currency in your Wise account, the card will automatically deduct funds from that specific currency balance. There are no conversion fees in this scenario. Smart conversion. If you spend in a currency you don't hold, the Wise card will automatically convert the amount from the balance with the lowest conversion fee. It still uses the mid-market exchange rate, ensuring you get a fair deal. ATM withdrawals. You can also withdraw cash from ATMs worldwide. Wise offers a certain amount of free withdrawals per month. The exact limit depends on your region, after which small fees apply. The Wise debit card is a boon for travelers and anyone who spends money internationally, offering transparency and significant savings compared to using a traditional bank card abroad. Wise for businesses. Streamlined global operations. Wise also offers robust business accounts designed to meet the needs of companies operating internationally. These accounts incorporate all the personal account features, plus business-specific tools. Batch payments. Easily pay multiple employees, freelancers, or suppliers in different currencies with a single upload. This saves significant time and effort for businesses with global teams. Accounting integrations. Wise integrates seamlessly with popular accounting software like Xero, QuickBooks, and FreeAgent, automating reconciliation and simplifying bookkeeping for international transactions. Team access and permissions. Grant different team members access to the account with varying levels of permissions, ensuring control and security. Payment acceptance. Businesses can use their local account details to accept payments from customers worldwide, often at a lower cost than traditional international payment gateways. Safety and regulation. How your money is protected. While Wise is not a bank, it is a highly regulated financial institution. It operates under licenses from financial authorities in various countries, such as the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK, the National Bank of Belgium in the EU, and FinCEN in the US. Instead of deposit insurance, Wise employs a method called safeguarding. This means that your funds are held in segregated accounts at reputable banks, like Barclays and JP Morgan Chase, separate from Wise's own operational funds. In the unlikely event that Wise were to face financial difficulties, your money would be protected and returned to you, as it's not mixed with the company's assets.